So Kara wants the kitty? Kitty's a bobcat. Yes.
For a cat, it's got a small tail.
Yeah. That's the way bobcats are. Wow. What do you think, huh, Kara? Oh, here comes the ducks.
Geese.
Yeah, the geese.
They sound a little bit upset that we're here.
Now they're coming to say hello. Welcome. Yeah. Come say welcome. There you go. Yes, exercise your wings. Ain't that pretty? Yeah. All right, what do we have in this one?
I think this one's empty.
That one's empty. Oh,
Yeah, that one I think is for the geese, but they're free.
they're all free. Okay.
The goat.
Oh, we got a little goat. Oh, here we got some little ones here too. Hello. Oh, wow. Here's another one.
Ducks. They're
Yes.
cute.
Oh, white ducks. And the brown one. And go visit your friend. Yeah. There you go. So we got the ducks, we had the geese, we had the bobcats.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, what do you think? Huh, Kara? What do you think, Kara? Aren't they pretty? Yeah, look at them. They're gonna